Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And all that background noise is my computer yelling at me. It's blowing a lot of hot air right now. A lot of hot air. It is a Thursday here though, and I was just getting a little bit of work done this morning. It's almost 11 a.m. already. How did we get here? But we're actually gonna have a pretty chill day here today because I've just been in the mood to treat myself a little. It's been a while since I've really given myself a little at-home facial. I don't know, just treated myself a little bit. So I thought that it would be fun to do that together today. And I'm excited to bring you along. Okay friends, let's get this self-care on the road. So I'm very excited because we're gonna be using some of my, favorite products that I reach for all the time, as well as some new goodies that I picked up to try out, actually from iHerb, who is sponsoring this video today. I love iHerb. I have shopped with them before, and it's just my favorite way, especially when I'm trying new products, because everything is at a really affordable price, which I love. iHerb actually carries over 30,000 products in so many different categories, you guys. You name it, they probably have it. Beauty, bath, pet, groceries. They have tons and tons of options. So pretty much whatever you want to check out or try, iHerb can probably help you out with that. And they also have their own line of brands that they carry, which they offer special money back guarantees. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can get your money back within 90 days, which is really cool. And all the iHerb product lines are exclusive to them. So if you want to try out those products, you gotta go there. So I'm so excited to show you the goodies that I picked up for our little self-care day here. So let's do it. So one of the things that I really want to start getting more into and more consistent about is taking vitamins. I take literally no vitamins right now. So picked up a couple, and obviously gummy vitamins are always more fun, so got gummy vitamins. So the first one we have here are the Gummy Nutrition Apple Cider Vinegar Gummy Vitamins. I have heard so much about this brand, and I used to take apple cider vinegar shots in the morning, and if you've ever tried apple cider vinegar, you know what the deal is. It can be a little rough, so very excited about this. Gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, unfiltered. So there's one. Next up, we have some collagen gummies, and these are tropical fruit flavored, which I'm so excited about. Collagen is great for hair, skin, and nails, so very excited about getting these more into my routine. And the last vitamins that I picked up here are these vitamin B12 gummies. I actually picked these up because if you guys don't know this about me, I am cold all the time, you guys. I'm not kidding. It's 80 degrees outside. Look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a sweatsuit. So I asked my doctor when I went in what vitamins would be useful for me to be taking to try to help with that, and they recommended B12. So these are raspberry flavored, again, gluten-free, non-GMO, soy-free, and it comes with 90 gummies, so a pretty good amount too. Then of course had to get some fun little beauty products for us to try. So first up, micellar water. This is obviously fairly self-explanatory. Love micellar water. This is what I use to take my makeup off every time I wear makeup. Also so excited about this. I'm sure you guys have heard of this before, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I absolutely adore this product, and when I saw it on iHerb, I just had to scoop it right up. I'm actually almost out of mine, so it is perfect timing. This is just the best for keeping your lips moisturized. It smells like berries. It's just so good. So very excited to have a fresh container of that. Had to get these when I saw them just because eye masks are one of my absolute favorite ways to treat myself. So these are agave cooling hydrating eye masks. You know we're going to be putting these on. It says on there relief for puffy eyes. So that's going to be very convenient. And then last up, two little makeup items. So first up, we have a new brow gel, just in time because I just ran out of mine. So this one is from e.l.f. and it's their Wow Brow in neutral brown. And then I wanted to try out a new mascara because I've sort of been on the hunt for a new one lately. So this is the Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara. Super excited about this because it also has vitamin E in it, so really nice and nourishing for your lashes. So we'll definitely be trying this as well. So that's everything that I picked up from iHerb recently. If you are interested in checking out iHerb, I actually have a code that you can use for a discount. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. So head on over and do a little bit of shopping. As I said, 30,000 products on their website, so guaranteed that you'll be able to find something that you've been looking for recently. And I'm gonna have the names of all the products and links to all of them down below as well, so you can go and check that out. So let's get into the self-care now, shall we? So I feel like a good place for us to start is with our gummy vitamins. So these are the apple cider vinegar ones. This so that you can take 1 to 2 gummies 3 times a day, up to 6 a day, which is pretty cool. So I think I will take 2 right now. They're very sticky. They're apple flavored. They're really good. I just love gummy vitamins because it feels like you're eating candy, but it's good for you. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, you guys. They're in the shape of little hearts. I love it. This one said 2 a day, so I'm going to take 2 of these as well. Something else I love about all 3 of these gummy vitamins is that you don't have to take them with food, which is convenient for me because I want to get these into my morning routine, but I don't eat in the morning. Very convenient. Oh my gosh, these taste amazing as well. Tropical fruit flavor. Oh my god, I just love that they're little hearts. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Last one. These are B12, so pretty specific to me. And these are, again, raspberry flavored. And how many am I supposed to take of these again? 2 gummies daily. And it says right on there, with or without food. Guys, this has been like fun because it's delicious. I have to tell you, I really dislike taking vitamins because of that weird taste that you get in your mouth, and this is just perfect. Vitamins, check, amazing. And now maybe let's get into showing our skin a little love. So I want to start off by exfoliating my skin. So I'm going to be using my dermaplaning device here. That way I can pull off all the peach fuzz, exfoliate any dead skin, and just end up with a really nice clean base. So always gotta start with cleansing my face first. Nice clean towel over the face. That feels good. Okay, and now that we have a nice, fresh, clean face, we can go in with our dermaplaner. Just pop a fresh blade on, and we are good to go. Oh my gosh, that always feels so amazing. My skin feels so nice and smooth. It's incredible. And here's a gross little POV for you of how much fuzz and dirt came off of my face. It's always shocking. So the next thing that I sort of feel like treating myself with on this self-care day is a little facial steam. I have this little personal at-home steamer that I'm gonna use. And just let that soak into my skin now that it's been like nicely exfoliated. That's the perfect time to do a little TikToking. Okay, I think it's ending. Gotta take every last little bit I can get. Oh, that is good. Feeling amazing. Kitty cat break. Hi, baby. Are you having a good day? I love you too. Look at this little cutie. So cute. Little Molly in the background. I just love her. Do you guys know that I love my cat? I know it's probably not obvious. Okay, now that we have that all taken care of, I want to give my skin a little bit of love because it deserves it. I'm just gonna throw a little serum on my face as a base. And since all of my pores are open after the exfoliation, after the steam, products just seep into your skin so well. Like literally all of that is in my skin now. I don't even feel it. It's so good. So I also want to use my Agave Cooling eye masks here. Cute little packaging. And they are just stacked up in there. There's actually 30 pairs in there, which is pretty awesome because that's a lot. Usually things come with like 2 or 5, so 30. Pretty awesome. And this product uses agave for its cooling. It has blueberry in it, which is very soothing for your skin. It has spirulina, which is nourishing. It also has eggplant in it, which it lists as quick calming, which is really interesting because I didn't know that about eggplant. And then caffeine, which is really refreshing and helps to wake your eyes up, obviously. And all of this like extra that's sort of on my fingers, I definitely don't want to let that go to waste. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it around my face, down my neck, might as well, treat everywhere. And then I'm gonna go in with my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask because gorgeous, gorgeous girls wear their Laneige lip mask all day long, not just when they're sleeping. Warm it up between my fingers and apply. Oh, it feels so good. It's so hydrating, silky smooth. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna leave this eye mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then check back in with you guys. Just going to go ahead and peel these off now. That felt amazing. That just has gotten all absorbed right into my skin. Feels so good. And let's get a little makeup going now because we have some shooting that we have to do today. My lips feel amazing too. It's just like so moisturized. Just love that Laneige lip sleeping mask. So, makeup. Don't want to go too overboard today. I'm gonna get a little bit of moisturizer going just to seal in all of that good stuff that we've done for our skin so far today. And since this is just a little bit of light makeup for shooting, I'm gonna keep it just really simple, bare bones, something that we can knock out really quick. So that's really all I'm going to do on my face, just keep it really simple, but obviously I want to try out these two products that we got from iHerb. So first up again is this Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara. Very intrigued to see how this works on my lashes. So there's sort of one coat on my lashes. I like how natural that looks. I feel like it would be really good for just even sort of the look that we're going for today, which is just very chill and not overdone. But I'm excited to see what it does with a second and third coat, because formulas like these tend to be really nice and buildable, which I love. Yeah, like already look at the difference there just with a second coat on this eye. Very into this. I feel like it added some really nice definition and length to my lashes, but it looks pretty natural, which I really, really like. Love that. And now let's try this eyebrow product. Again, this is the e.l.f. Wow Brow in Natural Brown. My brows are so naturally just full, so I really just look for products that help hold them in place, brush them up. Like the difference in the way my face looks on this side after doing my brow compared to this, it's like unreal to me. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go touch up my hair. I need to change into a little outfit, and then we're going to be shooting a photo here in the bedroom. Okay, so just threw on like these stretchy pants, a little tank top, 'cause it's supposed to be like a little casual at home moment in this photo. You can sort of see my underwear through these pants, but I don't think you'll be able to tell in the photo, and if you can, that is what Photoshop is for, people. Should be pretty simple, self-explanatory. I'm just shooting it myself on my tripod, so let's go ahead and get to it. Guys, I was just talking to the camera, I wasn't even recording.
What would you do without me?
You didn't even notice that. What are you talking about?
I know, but half the time you don't even think of bringing your camera out.
You haven't been in the vlogs in weeks, honestly.
Have I not?
No. Well, I guess a little bit from last weekend, but...
Oof. Yeah. That was my own doing, the con cam.
The con cam.
Didn't get much footage because Connor had left the station.
So what I was trying to say when I wasn't actually recording was that it has been a busy little period here. Got that photo, had to take care of some emails, had to hop on a call, but we got all that out of the way, and now it's 2:30 and I have not eaten yet today. So I'm starving, obviously, and I'm gonna try this little TikTok recipe that I found. It's basically these little like crispy egg tacos. I don't eat a ton of eggs. I'm sort of particular about the way that they're made. Like, I don't know why, but scrambled eggs are just like sort of weird to me. But this just looks amazing. So I'm gonna make 3 of them. Whoa, I'm so noisy. By the way, I didn't even check how many eggs I have. Oh, I only have 2 eggs. Oh well, what can I put in this other one? I honestly don't have much. I'll probably just throw like a little bit of turkey meat or something in there, whatever. It doesn't really matter. We're gonna let these just sort of sit and start to get a little bit crispy. It's gonna be really good. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, okay, we're starting to get a little bit of browning. That's when we want to give it a flip. Ah, I'm struggling. And now what we're gonna do, put a little bit of cheese on there. A little cheese, little cheese, little cheese. And just crack it like right onto there. Oh no, it fell off. Get back up on there now. Egg. A little bit more cheese. Okay. This one that I'm not going to put anything on in here, this I'm just going to pull now because there's no use in it really staying there. Add a splash of water and cover so that the eggs can cook. And then in the meantime over here, I just cut up some cucumber really, really thin, some cherry tomatoes, and some pickled onion. Here's the stitch, added some salt, some chili powder, and we're going to pull it now. No, no. I messed it up, guys. One of the egg yolks just like fell off because these two were connected because this egg went over here and like cooked onto this. It was a mess. It's still gonna be delish. I put like a little bit of turkey meat onto this guy. I was thinking maybe some spicy peanut dressing on there. Tomato, cucumber, Okay, here's the situation. It wasn't perfect, but I think it'll taste really good, which is all that matters at the end of the day. Let's try a little bite of this, shall we? I think we should try the one that we actually made correctly, even though I think it's gonna be the messiest because the yolk is still intact. Mmm. Oh, that is so good. With the spicy peanut sauce. So messy. Mmm. Well, 4:30 is upon us now, and I am working out at 5, so I want to just get my makeup off, get changed, all of that, and I thought perfect opportunity to use our new micellar water that I got from iHerb. To be honest, you guys, I love the idea of self-care being so many different things. I was just thinking about this today, I think because I was filming this video. And like there are so many things that can be considered self-care, from like eating healthy and working out to skincare to treating yourself to an unhealthy meal, listening to what your body needs, going on a walk, or just chilling at home, going to bed early. Like self-care can just be defined by so many different things, and I really love that because it just opens the door for you to really listen to yourself, like, and not put the idea of self-care into a box necessarily. Wow, this is melting my makeup off instantly. I'm shook. I feel like that worked even better than like my usual micellar water. Yeah, I just think that it's great that we get to sort of just take care of ourselves and listen to ourselves, and whatever our body says, that can be your self-care. There are some days, usually every Sunday, where my self-care is sitting on the couch, ordering in and not moving all day. And I look forward to that day every single week because it just makes me feel refreshed. It makes me feel more ready for the week ahead. And there are other days like today where I just wake up and I'm like, I feel like treating myself to lots of special stuff, extra skincare, a yummy new lunch, a quick workout. I mean, like all of these things, it's just me listening to like how I feel and giving myself what my body is asking for. So anyway, use this video right now as your sign to take care of yourself. Listen to what your body is telling you right now and go for it. If it's telling you to go for an extra long workout, go do that. If it's telling you to go through the Taco Bell drive-thru, you do you. I support it all. Wow, that was great. And I'm just gonna leave it at that just because I am working out, so I'm gonna like shower and wash my face and everything afterwards, so I'll worry about some skincare once I'm finished with that. Oh, you know what I am gonna do though? A little bit more of my Laneige lip mask. I seriously cannot get enough of this stuff, you guys. It's my absolute favorite. Also, I noticed that this was in, I noticed that this was in the box and I missed it before. It's like a little applicator. Hi, Molly Cat, my little missy. That way you don't have to like dig your finger in there. This will be living on my lips 24/7. Well, my friends, workout complete. It felt lovely, and now as my last self-care act of the day, I shall leave you because self-care also means not working at night when you don't feel like it. So I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat with a friend tonight, and I'm gonna leave you guys here. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching today and thank iHerb for sponsoring this video again. Again, I'm gonna have all those products linked down below. I'm going to have my discount code on the screen and down below for you to check out. So definitely go take advantage because you can load up on a ton of stuff, and it's just the best. Today has been so good, so relaxing, exactly what I needed. So I hope you enjoyed. Happy Friday to you all, and I'll see you in my next video.